Are you tired of working hard for your money? Well, today I'm going to show you a secret method to make money online without showing your face. Introducing the power of AI tools that will do all the work for you, so you can sit back and relax. Step 1. Find a profitable niche that has high demand and low competition. Research what people are looking for and create valuable content around it. Next, use AI tools to generate captivating video thumbnails that will grab viewers' attention and increase click-through rates. Then, create compelling video titles that include popular keywords to boost your video's ranking on search results. The key to making money with a faceless YouTube channel is to provide value through informative and entertaining content. Use AI tools to automate the creation of engaging video scripts that keep your audience hooked and wanting more. Now, let's talk about monetization. With a faceless YouTube channel, you have several options to make money. One way is through affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Another option is to join the YouTube Partner Program and monetize your channel through ad revenue. By leveraging AI tools, you can optimize your video's SEO, making them more likely to appear in search results and attract a larger audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to expand your reach and gain credibility in the YouTube community. Don't forget to engage with your viewers by responding to comments and creating interactive content to build a loyal following. Remember, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. With the power of AI and the strategies outlined in this video, you can create a successful faceless YouTube channel that generates passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today by making money with a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools.